With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here the question is, a convergent lens of power 16 diopter is used as simple microscope. The magnification produced by the lens when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision is what? Now in this question it is asked to calculate the magnification produced by the lens when the image is produced at least distance of distant vision. And we know least distance of distant vision D is equals to 25 centimeter. Also in this question it is given that the power P is equals to 16 diopter. Now we know students focal length of the lens is equals to 1 divided by power P, and that implies calculating it will get will put 16D diopter in case of P, and we know student diopter is nothing but meter inverse, right? That implies focal length is equals to 1 divided by 16 meter, and calculating it will get the focal length F is equals to 0.0625 meter. But again student 0.0625 meter is 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Now which will be equals to 6.25 in 6.25 centimeter. Now it is asked to calculate the magnification. Now when image is produced at least distance of distant vision D, the magnification of the simple microscope is equals to 1 plus D divided by F. So 1 plus D is, we know, 25 centimeter whole divided by 6.25 centimeter. Now here centimeter get cancelled out and we get the magnification M equals to 5. This matches with option 4. So option 4 is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.